Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Bpas University and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and publicly available information, not personal use or a visual demo. Bpas University is an educational platform developed by Bpas that focuses on training and learning resources related to payroll, human resources, employee benefits, and retirement plan administration. The platform provides structured learning materials such as online courses, video lessons, and reference content designed to help payroll professionals, HR teams, and business administrators better understand workforce management topics. Areas of focus commonly include payroll processing fundamentals, regulatory compliance, benefits administration, retirement plan concepts, and best practices for managing employee-related operations. The platform is intended to support professional development and improve accuracy and compliance in day-to-day payroll and HR tasks. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users value Bpas University for its practical, job-focused training, especially for professionals working with payroll systems or employee benefits. The educational content is structured to break down complex compliance and administrative topics into more understandable lessons, which can be useful for onboarding, refresher training, or skill development. The platform is often seen as a helpful supplement for professionals who want targeted knowledge rather than broad academic courses. However, there are some drawbacks. Bpas University is a specialized learning platform, so its content is limited to payroll, HR, and benefits-related subjects. Users looking for general business education, certifications outside this scope, or interactive academic features may find the offering narrow. Access to certain materials may also depend on organizational enrollment or association with Bpas services. In summary, Bpas University may be worth using if you work in payroll, HR, or benefits administration and want structured, role-specific educational resources to support professional development. However, if you are looking for a broad online learning platform or unrelated academic content, it may not be the right fit for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.